you doing? Now you're visiting this channel and you're wondering where all of my barbecue videos have gone. The good news is I've created a channel especially for them. It's called the Barbecue Walk of Flame. Here you'll find all of my Qcooking videos, and I've got some cracking recipes coming up. So head over to the Barbecue Walk of Flame, subscribe, and you'll be amongst the first to know when I've made a new video. In the meantime, the rest of my content will remain right here. So if you haven't already done so, please subscribe and leave me a comment.